Welcome to Well's Quick Tips and Trick YouTube cooking channel, and today I am come up with a Goan dish, that is a Aad Maas. So I will show you. So this is 1 kg of pork, all those ribs and all, so that is why it is called Aad Maas. So I have taken 1 kg and I have marinated it with ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and a half cup of vinegar and salt, and I kept it overnight. All this, if you can see, ginger garlic paste juice also you can see with the vinegar. So now we will have to cook this on a low flame. So before that we will grind other masala what we need. So I need 2 onions, then I have taken 8 red Kashmiri chilies. These are not spicy, this is for color, red color. Then this is half teaspoon of cumin seeds, half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Then this is 10 peppercorns and 5 cloves. And this is like ½ inch you can say of cinnamon stick, 2 green chilies. I will be not cutting or chopping it because it becomes spicy. I will just give for a flavor. I will add this in the curry garnishing time. And this is the tamarind, so you can soak it or you can just directly add this. And I'll be adding 1 teaspoon of sugar in the grinding masala. So let's take out the stem. Quick easy recipe of Goan Aad Maas. So you can make out of whichever meat you want is available. So first thing I will start with our pork. So we'll add water in this and I will grind this to a fine paste. So till this I will just saute these onions without oil. Just will saute it for a few minutes. So I have not added any oil. Dry roasting. And now I will add this pork to this. And we'll cook this I'll add little water to this, very little, and cook this, cover and cook it. So we'll cover this and cook this till our masala is getting ready. So now I will add 1 teaspoon of sugar in this. We'll grind it again. See the rich red color. So now at this point I will add the grounded masala. and I will mix this all nicely. Check the salt to taste. I will add the water which is there and let it get cooked for around 45 minutes it will take, because I have not boiled this meat, because it is going to get cooked in this only aroma. But yes, if you want, you can boil this meat and then put the masala. That is also there. So now I will add water to this. So this is the masala. In this only I'll add water. So now I'll add this. Add salt to taste. And cook this for 45 minutes covered. So now here it will be cooked. Check the salt. Yes, it is perfect, because while I marinated it with ginger garlic paste that time, and these 2 chilies, now I will just leave it over here. If you want, you can chop it. Cover this, cook this till the meat is nicely cooked. Okay, so then our pork Aad Maas is ready. I will show you after it is getting cooked. I will show you again. Till then, let it get cooked. Here it is, and it's nicely cooked and done over here. So if you want more or thick gravy, then you can still cook and let it become this. But see the oil, I have not added any oil, but yet this is pork, so see the oil which is floating from the fat. So, and once this is come, that means our dish is ready to serve, to eat with pulao, bread, poi, anything which you like. Thank you so much for watching this, and hope you will enjoy this Aad Maas, that is Goan pork Aad Maas. Thank you.